Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of constantly checking every application on your PC for updates, today's software might save you a lot of time. We're taking a look at IObit Software Updater 9, the latest version of IObit software management tool that helps keep your installed applications updated automatically. Software updates are more important than ever. They don't just add new features, they also fix bugs, improve performance, and patch security vulnerabilities that hackers often target. But manually updating dozens of applications can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's exactly where IObit Software Updater 9 comes in. After launching the program, it quickly scans your computer and detects outdated software installed on your system. Instead of visiting multiple websites to download updates one by one, you can update everything with just a single click. One of the biggest improvements in version 9 is its expanded software database, which now supports more than 1,100 popular Windows applications. Whether you use web browsers, multimedia tools, productivity software, security programs, utilities, or even the latest AI applications, there's a good chance IObit Software Updater can manage them for you. Another feature I really like is the automatic update capability. The Pro version can silently download and install updates in the background according to your preferred schedule. That means your favorite applications stay updated without interrupting your work or requiring constant attention. IObit has also improved the update engine by automatically selecting fast and reliable download sources, including its official mirror servers. This helps make downloads quicker while ensuring that updates come from trusted sources. According to IObit, software packages are carefully verified to provide clean installations without unwanted bundled programs. If you've ever reinstalled Windows or purchased a new PC, you'll probably appreciate another useful feature: one-click bulk installation. Instead of searching for each essential application individually, IObit Software Updater provides a collection of recommended software across multiple categories, including browsers, security tools, productivity apps, multimedia software, AI tools, runtimes, and utilities. You simply select the applications you want, and the program installs them all in one batch, saving a significant amount of setup time. Security is another important advantage. Outdated software is one of the most common ways attackers exploit vulnerabilities. By automatically notifying you or updating your applications in the Pro version, IObit Software Updater helps reduce those security risks and keeps your PC protected with the latest available patches. For users who prefer automation, the Pro Edition also includes unlimited software updates, silent installation, scheduled updates, automatic cleanup of downloaded installer files, and real-time update monitoring. Meanwhile, the free version still offers one-click updating, although with some daily limitations and fewer automation features. Now let's talk about performance.
The application itself is lightweight, launches quickly, and has a clean, beginner-friendly interface. Even users with very little technical knowledge can easily scan, review, and update outdated applications within minutes. Navigation is straightforward. The software clearly separates outdated applications from those that are already up to date, making it easy to see exactly what needs attention. So, who is IObit Software Updater 9 for? If you're someone who installs lots of software, manages multiple Windows PCs, frequently reinstalls Windows, or simply wants to keep your application secure without manually checking for updates, this tool can definitely simplify your workflow. Of course, no software updater replaces Windows Update itself. Windows Update remains responsible for keeping your operating system current, while IObit Software Updater focuses on keeping your third-party applications updated.
Overall, IObit Software Updater 9 is a convenient and easy-to-use solution for maintaining your Windows software library. With support for over 1,100 applications, improved update reliability, automatic background updates, and one-click bulk installation, it offers an efficient way to save time while improving both security and productivity. So, is it worth trying? If you frequently work with multiple applications and want an easier way to keep everything updated, I think IObit Software Updater 9 is definitely worth considering. And that's my review of IObit Software Updater 9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future software reviews, tutorials, and exclusive giveaways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.